It was a perfect day for a picnic and Canberrans turned out in droves. But to anyone thinking it's a perfect night for a grand final party, the Health Minister says this.
You are putting yourself at risk, you are putting your family at risk, and you are putting your friends at risk if you do that.
Sticking to the rules reduces the risk of catching COVID-19. It doesn't guarantee you won't get infected though.
Indeed, we are aware that within the ACT, smaller groups, smaller gatherings that are perfectly legal have resulted in transmission. Don't think that this cannot happen to you. It is right across the community at the moment.
Today's sunshine also drew big crowds to the now open Namadgi National Park.
I've missed it a lot. We often come out here to this very spot.
We've had a picnic and we've just walked around, basically.
Yeah, and we're going to do I think a Barumba Rocks walk.
This is kind of just a nice little release just to get back out in the bush, have a barbecue, see some greenery.
In the national parks you see a different variety of birds and you do it your house.
Today also brought a slight drop in cases. 38 new COVID-19 infections were recorded, 24 are linked to existing cases or clusters, and 14 were in quarantine for their entire infectious period. There are now 14 people in hospital with the virus, 5 are in intensive care and 3 require ventilation. One of today's new cases is a resident at the Calvary Hayden Aged Care Home. 4 new infections are linked to a construction site on level 5 of this London Circuit building, and 1 more is connected to this worksite in Civic. 3 cases are linked to Canberra Hospital. A food services team member has tested positive, so has a patient on a cancer ward, as well as a staff member at a mental health unit.
Hundreds of staff and patients have so far tested negative. However, more than 100 healthcare workers are currently in quarantine for between 5 and 14 days based on exposure risk.
The dip in cases was, of course, welcome, but the Chief Health Officer has warned not to expect numbers to fall much further.
My honest feeling is I don't think that we will get down to below 20. I think that we're looking at 30s, 40s, 50s. At a minimum moving forward.
Even more reason for Canberrans to stick to the game plan. Rosie King, ABC News, Canberra.